The very first thing with LimaCharlie, if you're not as, if you're not used to the platform, the biggest thing that's going to be kind of a big difference is that, we're multi-tenant, cloud-based, SaaS, on-demand, scale up, scale down, self-service, all that good stuff. So, you're not going to be like chatting with a salesperson for like a couple of weeks to determine what your use case is and all, or, go from there. Literally, if you go to app.limacharlie.io, you can log in, and you get 2 free organizations, which are, our tenants. And each one is 2 free sensors as well, concurrently online. So that's a great way to kind of get started, play with it, see what's going on. So in this case, what we're going to be doing is we're essentially going to be simulating creating like a new tenant, right? We're talking about IR. So often the IR will kind of come in, out of nowhere, and you need to be able to react very quickly. So that's really the greatest thing about LimaCharlie. So you can, we'll just come in, we'll say that we want to create a tenant in Canada. We'll create an org name, and we'll launch creation of that organization. So the only thing I'm going to be doing off screen is just setting a flag on that org so that all the things are just all enabled at all points. That way I don't, usually if you were to try to go to increase your quota, so increasing quota, which is, what capacity do I want to support in my org? That is something that, you'd put in your credit card and then request it. 5 seconds later, you're up and running. In this case, just to streamline a little bit, I'm going to tweak that a bit. So I'm just going to come in here. But I really wanted to make this, a true simulation of what that looks like, because, I think it's such a big part of what makes LimaCharlie different is, the ability to just pick up and go. Here we go. Awesome. So we are set up. So that's done. So first thing I'm going to do is, as I mentioned, I'm going to go in billing, and I will increase the quota. I'm going to set it to, let's say, 5 endpoints, because why, 5 or 5,000, it's really the same process. So I'm just going to request that, and then it'll take a second and come back in and tell me, okay, we're good to go.